Hello guys and girls. So today in this video I'm going to talk about one of the fundamental property in algebra, which is associative property. So in this associative properties, it states that whenever you want to solve first, or whichever order you want to solve first in the equations, you still get the same result. So this one is applicable to the additions and to the subtraction to the multiplications. So first I want to give an example in the addition. So we have a plus b plus c, okay, and then there is no parenthesis here, and then the second equations we have a plus in parenthesis b plus c, okay, and the third one is in parenthesis a plus b and then plus c. So when you encounter one of these, like a plus in parenthesis b plus c, you can open up the parenthesis or remove the parenthesis and you can solve like normal a plus b plus c. Same with the third equations, like in parenthesis a plus b, you can remove the parenthesis and you can solve like the normal one, a plus b plus c. So if you want to test these equations, this rule is true or not, we can plug in with the real number or real value. So we, like example, we have a equals to 1 and b equals to 2 and c equals to 3. So we plug in for the normal operations, we get 6. Okay, so for example, if you want to solve in the parentheses first, like a is 1 and then in parentheses b is 2 plus 3, and then we want to solve like a plus 5, we still get the number 6. So let's say we have in parentheses a plus b, which give us 3, and then plus c is 3, we still get the 6. So meaning like this one equations is correct. Okay, right. Okay, so now let's take a look at the multiplications. So instead, same with the plus. Okay, so just a times b times c, we can get the same, like 1 times 2 times 3. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so let's say we want to in parentheses like a and b only, so we times a times 2. 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, like we said that in the third one, so we put the parentheses, we encounter the equations that have parentheses in for b and c, so we multiply the b and c first. Let's say 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then we times a is 1. Okay, so 1 times 6 will get 6. So this, okay, so this 6 we get same 6, we get same 6. Same rules like uh additions or plus. Okay, 6 we get 6, and then we get 6, and then we get 6. So that is how you solve the problem. Okay.